the absolutely messy hair that I have because the humidity is so big, and look at my new space. I am so excited about this space. It's really tall and it's really bright, and so we are moving in today, and I'm gonna take you along with me. Now everything's moved in pretty much. I still have some class supplies that I have to move in, but yeah, I am in the process of now decorating it out. So I'll see you later. Starting to come together. Yes, I still have to organize all my adhesives and figure out where the hot water pot's gonna go. But yeah, it's starting to come together. My desk. I've already got most of my inventory out. Yeah, unpacked a few boxes, have a couple of more. Now I'm going to run home and get another load. So yeah. See you soon.
Good morning. Heading to the studio. Day 2 up in the studio. It's actually January 3rd. Didn't go yesterday. It was nothing but pouring down rain. And so I'm headed to the studio now. Got a few more things to get ready to set up. I'm out of breath because it is freezing cold. It was t-shirt weather on New Year's Day. And today it's 41 with a wind chill of like 31. It's freezing out there. The wind has not stopped, and so yeah, I'm headed to the studio. See you in a minute. Alright, I made it to the studio, and yeah, look, got a star put up. Didn't video that. And brought one of my big paintings up. Yeah, a lot of breath. That wind is chilly out there, so yeah, I'm about to set up my speaker and get set up for the day. I've got a long list of things I've got to do, and try to remember to film.
Definitely gonna be a busy day today. I got a bunch of things to do. I've already started unpacking more things. I got my paper holders put together from IKEA, and yeah, I've added a big painting. Brought all my canvases up here, so I have a couple more of those big ones back there. That's 30 by 30. And then yeah, that's got to get cleaned up. And yeah, I put my big star up that Tim gave me for Christmas. So yeah, I'm excited, and I will see you later. Oh, I also have if you saw in the previous story, I have my gallery wall started. I have a few prints and some of my own, so yeah. I'll see you soon. gonna be where I film my classes and my videos. But I want to start doing some, you know, talking head videos. So yeah, I needed a backdrop. So I love making paper flowers, and so I decided that I found these at Dollar Tree. So much quicker than making them myself. You get 2 for $1 in these packs. So I bought pink, blue, and yellow, and then I have a couple of these to add more color. I just need green now, because I don't have any green. But these, there's 6 in here, and they're smaller. So there's 6 little pom-poms in them, and that's, yeah. So I'm gonna have those and have these, as well as these. So yeah, studio's coming together. See you soon. Alright, so I'm gonna take you on a tour of what I've done today. Got a pretty good bit. I'm gonna try to edit this video and get it up, because it's been a couple of days, and you know, there'll be more to show you. So here we go. You come in the back door. When you come in the back door, you come around and you'll see Kate Cannon. You're gonna come in. So far, this is what I have done. I have my bags on the back of the door, the star that my husband gave me for Christmas, and this is going to be where I film my classes. Gives me a cute little backdrop, and I can change out and add things to it. But yeah, this will be where I film my YouTube tutorials and my online classes. So I have a couple of big canvases. I have some chairs, because I'll do in-person classes, and I'll be able to do 4 in here, 4 people at a time. And so this is my paint cabinet slash flat file cabinet. So I have all of most of my acrylic paints. There's some more down here, and there's some more in another container underneath. Papers for journal making, extra rings of paper down here, and folders and things for classes, but lots of paper for journaling classes, some started canvases, finished canvases, things like that. I have my diffuser on here with one of my favorites, which I use pretty much all the time. It's called Holiday Joy. It's citrusy, and I don't know, I like it. Got to figure out a place for my hot water pot, so that'll go somewhere else. I do need one more table in here. This, I'll put a link below where I got this. I got this off Amazon. It holds all my markers and color pencils and things. These I got at Dollar Tree, and they're great for organizing little things. It's caught threads for journals, tags, cords, more tabs, various Tim Holtz pieces that I use for my journals. My washi tape one is a little stuck, but there's washi tape in there. Fabric pieces that have been stamped and ready to go on journals. More journal hardware, buckles and tassels and key fobs, things. My tub of acrylic wash, which I paint the top, so I don't have to pull it out, but I do need a little bit bigger tub, because they're too full. So my collection of Holbein acrylic wash, markers. These are the Jane Davenport Mermaid watercolor water brushes. I also have some Zig Cling color, my glass dip pens. And this really doesn't have anything in it. I just use it to raise everything up. My collection of Posca pens, my watercolor paint palette, and other little dishes. This huge canvas that I've been working on for a while, and I think I'm actually going to paint over it because I'm not really happy with it. So yeah, I do that. I may just paint over some of the flowers that I don't like, but who knows? more likely I'll paint over the whole thing because I really liked the background. Then I added the flowers and I don't like it. So yeah, it's gonna be painted over. A stack of canvases. These are almost ready to finish. I start out my canvases by just either painting black or drawing with black Sharpie. Not really a Sharpie because Sharpie will come through, but paint with black paint so I don't have a white canvas. So it comes like this, and instead of worrying about that I'm gonna mess it up, I basically just intentionally mess them up. Works pretty good for me, so that's what those are. Then I have the rest of the chairs. These are antique chairs that have pretty much been in my life for years, and they were in an old building in my old hometown, and I just decided I've had them and they're gonna be in here because I think they're more fun. Okay, so over here, yeah, my laptop case is in my chair. This is my really fun rolly chair that I was gifted by my aunt. It's brand new, and so we put that together. You saw that at the beginning of the video. And this is a sock yarn blanket. It's 2 strands of sock yarn held together, and I made this out of a bunch of minis well, no, that's 2020. That was one of my 2020 projects. And so this is my desk. I had these hanging on the wall with washi tape, and they decided to fall. Like, I would turn my back and one would fall. Not all of them, but 1 or 2. So I decided to just string them up over my desk. And I'm probably going to turn this desk so it's not facing the corner, but I've got to cover the back of that cabinet there because, you know, it's an IKEA desk, so it doesn't have a back on it. This rolling cart is full of class supplies for the beginner art journal class, the prayer journal class, and this is the start of one of the beginner art journals where, you know, you're not working in something precious, so you don't have to worry about perfectionism. And so it starts off with a mini composition book, or a half composition book, and then we start it off. So, and it gets pretty chunky. A whole bunch of ballpoint pens. I like ballpoint pens for all kinds of stuff, so that's my class supplies. This cabinet, this one is empty right now, and this is my packaging supplies, all my stamps that I created with my Silhouette Mint. That's how I created all of these. These are my packaging stamps. This, I think I overstuffed it, is my plastic containers for my product, my plastic sleeves. Lamination for my bookmarks and the small bookmarks. And let's see, it's gonna start. I overstuffed these drawers, so there we go. And then this one is my tools. Pretty much all my cutting tools are in here, with my little mini cutting mat, my rotary cutter, my crocodile, my awls for bookbinding are in here, hot glue guns, and mini stapler, which I do have 2 big staplers up here at the top, drawing tools, punches and punch board, brayers and texture tools for my jelly plate, hammers and screwdrivers and those kind of tools. And this one is just miscellaneous, like things to hang my pictures, and these are Tim Holtz, and I want to get them and put them on a big board so I can use them to display pieces. And then my full quill. Over here, it's got journals, inventory for journals. This basket is pretty much just nothing right now. My light box, my laminator, and then as you come up here, this is all my inventory for my stationery. shop. I'm in the process of loading some of the new things onto my Etsy store, which will come up in an update by the end of the week. I'll have these camera bookmarks, and then all of the Classy Skirt Girls bookmarks will go live. So along with teaching classes, I will be open for people to come and visit. Also for clients, because I still do illustration. That's my job. It's commercial illustration. So yeah, but look at all these high ceilings. I definitely got to get some more stuff for the walls. Yeah, I'm looking at getting a couple of displays for the walls that have the shelves and things like that, and also a couple of displays for my paint to actually put them on the wall. I was looking at the ones that people use for fingernail polish and nail salons, because those will hold my acrylic paints really well, and that would look really cool on the wall for classes. So I hope you come back and join me for another studio vlog. But this one is my move-in, and I'm excited to have you along for the ride.